of you must be their friends, so we are all very lucky to be their friends. Chandra was working on her own spirituality, and I know for a fact Colonel Nagi also goes into deep meditation. When my father was ailing last year in hospital, for half an hour we couldn't move him, he was just in a trance. So working on herself, we all, not all, but some of us do have that spiritual bone in us, and we want to develop spiritually. But Chandra is at a stage where she is developing and has evolved a lot, and her cup kind of overflows, and she wants to share that spirit in her with others. And the beauty about that is that we do have satsang, we do have, but every gathering has its own character, and the beauty with Chandra's spiritual gathering is that it is like, a happening place where you have come to just be joyous and just be happy and sample food and meet each other along with this combination. So this is a rare combination of where you are inward and outward both. And that is what I marvel about Chandra and Colonel Nagi, that it's truly Rabne Banani Jodi. They have so much of inwardness, and they can be so outward also. They can be so spiritual, and they can tackle the worldly issues also, because some of us who are too much inward and spiritually working on ourselves sometimes feel very vulnerable to the way the world is going on. But they have that combination where it's open arms and there is no personal space, it's everybody's space, but they respect you and you respect them. You don't end up stepping on their toes. They know that they are without boundaries, and yet they can be capable of, drawing a boundary if you were to step on the toes. So this is a combination all of us must be striving to achieve. I know I am very much lacking in this. So it is so wonderful to pick at their brains when you get the rough knocks in life, because they have that sense also, and the large-hearted and strong. So sometimes you are generous, but they are in all respects strong, and they have what so many of us again are striving to learn to be equanimous, what we say samta pushto ho, and how to be equanimous in face of good, bad, sad, happy. So they have learned that to be joyous always, and that's something we in this gathering, and then in your personal capacity as a friend with them, you constantly learn from them.
Thank you.
Most of the people must be knowing Kavita. Kavita is a very well-known filmmaker. Yes, she is. And she is the person, most well-known person. Thank you, Kavita. Thank you to have so much of trust on us. Thank you. Who wants to? Where is Hardik? Where is Hardik? Come here. My youngest. You see my youngest member. Here, idhar aa jaओ. He's a doctor, he's a skin specialist, he is a handsome man. What do you think? आ जाओ, ध्यान कुटीर के बारे में बात करो।
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I'm like it's a journey with them, with Colonel Uncle and Chandra. We started for like 6 months, I guess. And only thing I could understand so far, every time it was I. When I met them, I understood how to dissolve I into us. It was just selfless service to mankind, whosoever it is. They make you feel comfortable, whosoever you are, whatever you think, they accept you as you are. I just learned one acceptance from them. It was ultimate lesson from them. And Ekam Dhyanam, the whole concept, it's a beautiful concept of peace and harmony. There are many theories about meditation, many things, many rituals, but when you come over here, there is nothing. It's just noble souls around you, positivity in the environment, that's it. So,
anybody, Kalpana, Rishi, come here. ये सारे youngsters है.
भाई चंद्रा माँ के बारे में I don't have words actually. She is a very powerful lady. A lot of people don't know about her. इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन इनके अंदर है, जितने यहाँ बैठे हैं सबके बारे में इनको इन्फॉर्मेशन है, जिसमें किसी ने कुछ नहीं बोला है, but she knows everything about everybody. This is something most of the people here do not know. So I just want to update those who do not know. So I'm sorry, but I had to do. You said.
Okay.
So when we talk about Ekam, she is always meditative. तो एकम ध्यानम की जब बात है तो lot of people we are a family now. Lot of 1 साल हो गया, मुझे तो 4-5 महीने हुए, but lot of people are coming since 1 year. So it's been 1 year today completed. It is that's full family system. So a lot of people have understood. अभी lot of new people are joining every day. तो ये कंसेप्ट जो म्यूजिक का है, नीरज जी हैं, पूरा ब्यूटीफुल टीम है जो सिंग करती है, और म्यूजिक इज ऑल अ ब्यूटीफुल, पूरा गैदरिंग जो बनती है, जो एक माहौल बनता है, इज यू फील लाइक कमिंग अगेन एंड अगेन एवरी मंथ. मतलब जो पूर्णमासी की जो रात होती है उस रात को लवली, एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर डूइंग. एंड नागी साहब इज अ ब्यूटीफुल जेंटलमैन. He should know something. इन्होंने मतलब बड़े लोगों के अंदर से फियर निकाल दिया है. We have been coming to his sessions on Saturdays, and he creates those sessions so that a lot of people can overcome a lot of fears, anxieties, and a lot of more problems which we are facing every day in the life. And he tries to make our life very simple and easy to go. Thank you so much.
चलो बोलो तुम क्या है, कब ध्यान फटाफट. Kalpana is a very spiritual person herself. She is a very famous lady, but she always comes here. She serves in Ekam Dhyanam, and she is our family member.
इन्होंने इतना सब मेरे बारे में कह दिया जो कि आई थिंक कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है. एंड मुझे भी यहाँ आते हुए 5-6 महीने हुए हैं, लेकिन मुझे यहाँ आके ऐसा लगता है कि इट्स द काइंड ऑफ लव आई गेट एंड द एक्सेप्टेंस एंड रिस्पेक्ट. इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट नाउ इट इज़ टू गेट फ्रॉम एनीवेयर. और जो स्पिरिचुअलिटी जो में है और जो ये शेयर करती हैं, अदरवाइज़ आप कहीं भी मेडिटेशन के लिए चले जाइए, वो कहते हैं कि यू शुड नॉट शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंसेस जो आपको मेडिटेशन में होते हैं. विपासना में जाते हो, आप कहते हैं कि कोई अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस किसी को शेयर मत कीजिए. जब तक आप शेयर नहीं करेंगे तो हाउ यू विल नो हाउ टू ग्रो. कितने संत महात्मा आए हैं जिन्होंने समाधियाँ ले ली हैं, लेकिन अपने अंदर वो कुछ सीक्रेसी लेके समाधियाँ ले लेते हैं. लेकिन दिस इज़ द प्लेस जहाँ पे चंद्रा माँ कोई ऐसी कोई छुपाने वाली बात नहीं है, जो कुछ है सामने, शी इज देयर टू शेयर एवरीथिंग विद एवरीबडी। आप उनसे पूछिए वेदर स्पिरिचुअलिटी और एनीथिंग। सो आई हैव रिटन फ्यू लाइन्स फॉर चंद्रा माँ। आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर विद ऑल ऑफ यू।
अरे वाह।
Chandra Ma, you are divine and so kind. You make us unwind and blind our problems. Your love is unconditional and warm. Your gestures are so loving and pure. You are magical and power engulf us every day. Your personality is personified and love is full of energy. Your mystic energies give us strength and confidence. Our vision with you make us more confident and spiritual. Chandra Ma, your name only depicts your strength. As the moon, you give us peace and teach us to live in harmony. You are goddess living alive.
Very nice, very nice.
Doing your duties by helping mankind.
Very nice.
खाली समोसा देना है।
Thank you.